Hello trader, we can see that gold finally managed to reach that resistance line and retested the resistance, and primarily we can see a rejection here. So with that rejection, now we need to look at either gold is preparing for potential breakout to create an all-time high again, or it is dropping back again to the order block. This is what we will be looking at in this analysis to see how gold is doing. So first of all, before we look at how we can trade in that situation, looking at the highest time frame, looking at the monthly chart on gold. Now from the monthly, we can see that the previous monthly bullish candle followed by this month's, there is a doji formation here on gold. And with this doji, what we can see from this support, there is a bounce, and there is also a long wick candle here. As price already tested the monthly high, it may be difficult for gold to break this monthly resistance to create a new higher high. What I think that gold may drop back to the support again before bouncing back to the upside from the monthly. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly bullish candle which has a resistance at 2477 level, and we can see uh, early today the market tested that level and then has got an immediate rejection. That rejection may take this price again dropping back to that weekly support level. What I think that the price either might test this 2442 level or even further below with the news coming up on dollar. So there could be potential downside later today in London and NY session. Dropping down to the daily chart, this is the daily candle, and we see the resistance is a little more clearer, and we can see there is a series of lower high is broken with this daily, and with that series of lower high has broken, we can see there is a rejection here on the daily time frame. And with that rejection, expecting for this price to retest this support level again on the daily chart, expecting for the market to drop back below to this support level. Dropping down to further lower time frame from the intraday, we can see there is a series of again lower high formation, and here we can see almost the price tested the resistance and has got a rejection. So that rejection may uh, signal potential for the downside. If we closely look at, we can see that there is an order block from the 4 hour, and from that order block the market has managed to break out multiple liquidity candle formation. And we saw that here also, after this back to back two liquidity candle formation early this week, the market managed to bounce. And we also detailed analyzed during our weekly forex forecast and also daily analysis. Probably you guys and girls have seen that. If you have seen that, you can compare that price action how it played out. Definitely it's a great educational content. And also I would recommend you to join the free Telegram channel for more ideas like this. Below this video in the description you can find. So currently I think that as below this level there is a high liquidity, the market might try to retest this support as there is a fair value gap. If we look at, this is an order block, and with this zone here, this is an imbalance in the market. So let's see how we can trade this imbalance on the lower time frame. If we closely look at, we can see that the 15-minute chart, the market is grabbing liquidity from the top. Also there is a liquidity candle formation on the lower time frame, giving potential for gold to drop back down to this support level. So this is what I will be waiting on the lower time frame for, a potential sell opportunity on gold. As you can see, it's forming a potential head and shoulder. If we see a completion of that head and shoulder and a breakdown, we will be looking for potential selling opportunity on gold to this level with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this free analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up, and also join the free Telegram channel to stay connected for more free education and ideas like this one. So with that said, thank you and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.